Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, Director of Content for Engineering.com. I'm with Zane Michael. He's the Director of Thermal Business Development for Yaskawa America. And Zane, I know that small job shops, medium-sized, small manufacturers basically, who have weldments and they have short runs, 18, 20, 50 parts. Historically, automating the welding process has been difficult. It's been time-consuming, it's been expensive. I understand that you have a solution that is open to basically shops of all sizes.
Correct. Motoman Yaskawa has came out with a product we call our Easy Teach system with our partner Kinetic in Canada. The sensor allows the customer, the welder, to grab the robot as I'm doing now and walk it through the path that they want it to take. So we've taken the laborious method of the teach pendant style out and put the lead through method in the hands of the welder, allowing them to get in production much faster.
Now, Zane, historically, this method of teaching, arc length is critical for many welding processes at this point to get a consistent, even high-quality bead. Now, are you physically dragging the tip through the entire the weld length of the bead?
No, we'll show you here. I can come down and say, here's the arc on, then I can move the robot over here and say, here's the arc off, and tell the robot, I want you to take a linear path. It will travel in a linear mode and maintain the arc length, producing a high-quality weld for our customer.
And that's great for straight lines, Zane. How about more complex shapes, curves, tubes joining flat plates, that kind of thing?
Well, let me bring John in. We'll just show you how this is done from start to finish, straight lined around a circle.
Okay, let's do it. Well, Zane, we've just watched John program that. I'm guesstimating 2 or 3 minutes of programming time total.
Yeah, probably less than 2 minutes. Then you saw the robot go through a straight line. It completed the circle. And obviously, if we was welding, we'd turn the arc on at the beginning and arc off at the end. You also saw that John had the teach pin in the hand. The safety standard, ANSI RIA, requires you have the dead man switch, so he's maintaining that, able to go through and indicate whether we want straight line or circle, arc on or arc off on what we would call a smartphone kind of menu. Very easy for anybody to understand.
And Zane, in terms of operator training, how long would it take for an operator to get to know the system and get it productive?
About an hour. So we still want someone to fully understand the robot programming method, but the average welder would need about an hour of instruction to understand how to put it in the easy teach mode using the Robotics sensor, and off they're going.
And what applications do you anticipate will be the primary users of the equipment?
Our users have been job shops, those that have maybe a short run, 10 parts with a lot of arc time, long straight welds, where they can bring the part up to the robot, use the Easy Teach system, and complete that. That's been the primary user of this product.
Now, Zane, people like myself who come from a Tier 1 automotive background, in that case, I can imagine this for pilot runs or for short runs getting ready for large-scale production. Could there be an engineering application for it that way in product development?
Yeah, in fact, I have a customer now looking at it for a prototype system, though they want to put this on their robot in the lab so they can generate prototypes a lot quicker.
Zane, is it an expensive system?
No, list price is $5,500. Wow.
Low cost, robotic welding automation.